Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus people, in this reading, first of all I am going to take your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. So Taurus, this is your current energy. This is your partner's current energy. Uh-oh. Taurus, you are feeling sorry about something. You are feeling so sorry and so sad about the opportunities which you have lost. And you are being very, very angry on yourself. You are being very angry that why you missed that opportunities, why you didn't notice the opportunities. You are being very sad, Taurus, right now. But you need to be rest assured that universe is giving you some more opportunities. These opportunities could be related to love life. These opportunities could be related to your finances. These opportunities could be related to your person. Perhaps you did something wrong with your ex, something wrong with your old partner, and that thing is making you feeling guilty right now, and you are being sorry for that. But you need to be rest assured that universe is not going to stop. Universe is continuously offering you something new. Alright, just you need to look around you that what new opportunities are coming towards you. And apart from that, it seems like most of you, Taurus, I feel that most of you wants to travel somewhere, or perhaps it is a long distance relationship, though, that you want to meet your person but you are unable to meet them. That's why you are feeling sorry. Something is there. You need to look around, just see the opportunity and grab it, and just move from your current place. Please move your current place. Only then you will be able to go somewhere. Only then you will be able to meet your partner. Alright? 8 of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. Again, your person seems like ignoring everything around them. Okay? They have indulged themselves in a work completely. Okay, they don't want to listen anything, they don't want to see anyone, they don't want to talk about anything. It seems like they are protecting their own energies from something and from somebody. It seems like because you are being very sorry for your lost opportunities, and they are waiting for you continuously. So that's why they feel that it's okay, my Taurus is not coming towards me, I should focus on my work. The moment they will come, they will immediately call me. Okay? And in most of the cases, Taurus, it seems like there is less communication in this relationship, because you are being sorry and they are being busy in their own life. There is no communication between you and them. Now let's see what you think about them, what they think about you, and what actions you guys are going to take towards them. What you think about them, what actions you can take towards them, what they think about you, and what actions they can take towards you. Moment to moment, you see them as somebody who always, start their work step by step. This person is not in any kind of hurry. They are very calm and poised minded person. Okay, so you see them as someone who believes in taking step by step action rather than jumping on the conclusion. They identify these things, they analyze things properly in a step by step manner. Only then they come to a conclusion. Okay, so that's why you see them. That's how you see them and think about them. The action, Taurus, you are going to take towards them is laziness. See, you are being sorry about your lost opportunities, you are being lazy, you are not moving from your current location, and that's why this laziness is saying that you are not taking any action towards them. You must be enjoying your surroundings, you must be enjoying your own company, you must be enjoying your job and professional life and all that. But when it comes to taking any action towards this person, Taurus, you are being very lazy. Now let's see what action this person is, oh my god, what they think about you. Okay, Taurus, this person sees you as somebody who has so many difficulties in their life. They see you as somebody who has so many responsibilities on your head. Okay, you want to be move out, you want to be free, you want to explore life, but your circumstances does not allow you to free yourself. Okay, now let's see what actions you can take towards you, they can take towards you. The Fool. Okay, it seems like this person wants to restart this connection with you. Okay, this person is taking or keeping a faith in you. Okay, apart from what other people are talking about you, what other people are saying about you, this person is keeping their faith in you. That's why this person is working. This person is working really hard. They are not seeing anywhere. They are waiting for you. But on the other hand, you are being very lazy, Taurus. Very bad. Okay. So they have taken a step ahead towards you, but you need to take some action. Now let's see what what angels are asking you to do right now. What is the angels' guidance for you? Remain positive. Angels are advising you to be positive. Okay, it's no matter how opportunities you have lost, there are many opportunities in abundance for you. Okay, so you need to keep yourself positive always. Think positive always. See positivity around you. The moment you start thinking in a positive manner, everything is will be changing for you. All right. Okay, so Taurus, some of you must be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. And yes. Okay. So Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.